Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to buy Melania meme coin in 2025. So it's the popular or one of the most popular meme coin at the moment with Trump coin. Melania coin, it's his wife. So whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned trader, this guide will basically make you be able to buy Melania coin in 2025. Super simple. So make sure to stick by and let's get started.
Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience.
First, we'll need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want. So once you open your browser, the first thing that you should do, just go to the URL section, click on Melania, as example, coin markets. So coin markets cap. Hit the enter button. You'll be taken here. So click on this first link, coin markets cap. It's very known. So once you go in here, first of all, you'll be able to see the price of it at the moment. So as you can see, the price, the market cap, the volume, FDV, the volume in the market cap in 24 hours, the total supply, and the max supply, even circulating supply. Of course, you can see the socials about it, the websites of it, like explorers, contracts. This is very important. Wallets that you can use as example, and even like this USID. So as example, again here you see the price performance example. Now, how can we buy it? Simply, if you scroll down, you'll find some official Melania meme markets. Here, you can look for the markets as an example that you have an account on. Maybe you have an account on Meteora. Maybe you have an account on Piggets. Maybe you have an account on Orga. Orca does not need an account. I guess Meteora as well. It's just like a switch platform, so you just need to connect your wallets. I'll just show you as an example with Orca and Meteora. Why not? But for Kraken, for KuCoin, HCX, KCO, you'll need to have an account because it's like a platform to buy and sell coins from there or from them. So yeah, as an example, just look here for Meteora. As example, let's just even look for Orca as well. So here, explore Meteora as an example. Here, you can watch a video explaining everything about Meteora, like everything. 36 minutes. You don't have to watch it, all of it. You can speed it up. You can watch just whatever you want of it to understand the platform very well. For me, I'll just click on Launch App. And from here we are on the market. We can find, as example, this Melania USDC. I guess you can even find like Melania with USDT, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, as an example, this one. And here you can start seeing the pools and etc. This might be a little bit confusing for people that don't know the pools. That's why you'll need to watch the video. But Orca, on the other hand, is very simple. As you can see, you'll basically have to look for Melania. So type Melania. Avoid all those ones that has this icon, like this warning icon. This telling you that this probably scam. And as you can see, this token is not frequently traded on Orca. Always verify the mint address. The mint address is basically this one. So you will have to verify it. So normally this is the one that's frequently traded. It does not have any warnings and it's the first one. You can click on it and check first of all the price. Does it match the one in the market coin cap? As you can see, of course, it does not have to be the same because the price is changing from one market to another. You'll have to keep that in mind. So does it match as example, or is it close to this? And is this address is the same one in here, it's the same contract's address in here. So you can copy it. And I don't know, if you have a terminal, you can use the simple diff. And of course, if you're, I don't know, if you're using Ubuntu or something like that, you can use a simple diff as example, and it will show you how to do it. So basically diff, and you can enter the first one and second one. Or you can, if you're using Windows, you can just use, I don't know, like an online tool like compare to text. Oh, I did not enter two. That's fine. It's the same. So example, yeah, you can enter the first like one in here. So just go and copy this. And come in here, copy this. Click on compare. As you can see, the two texts are identical, so nothing to worry about. It's the real one. So now you'll have to connect your wallets depending on the wallet that you have. As you can see, there's a lot of wallets in here. If you have any of those, just go and of course it will need to be funded so you can trade. And you can choose as example depending on whatever token you have in its wallet. So if you have Solana, you can trade with Solana. If you have like USDT, USDC, you can trade with that. Always check the address of anything that you choose or the price. So it will not be a scam. Normally Orca will do this for you. So if you type USDT, normally you find like those ones are known. This one is probably a scam, etc. So keep checking your stuff. So example here, let's say I want to buy like 100 of Melania coin. Here, I'll see the price that I'll need to have in my wallet so I can switch it out. This circle here will show you that this price will change depending on the market. So if this finished, as example, this will be updated. As you can see, if it goes one more time, this price will be updated depending on the market. So if it goes down or it goes up, the price will change. So example, at the moment it's changing just by after the dots. So yeah, that's it. So instead of connect wallets, if you already connect it, you'll find trade or swap, click on it, and you'll have your Melania coin on your wallet. So that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.